I'd like to give you a couple of tips when you buy these at the store. So when you purchase one, make sure that you buy one that has been only hot held for 4 hours or less, okay? After 4 hours, the bacteria can start breeding and multiplying rapidly within here and cause your chicken to go bad. So if it's been out there for more than 4 hours, it should not be, and do not buy it. So always, first of all, always make sure you check your time on that. Secondly, when you bring it home, it's best just to go ahead and pull it right then and there. It's so much easier to pull it, and plus you'll get more yield because you'll have more meat that will come off the bone. So it'll be a lot easier for you to work with and a lot quicker, and you'll also get a lot more meat off of this as well. So you want to just go ahead and pull your whole chicken. So once you get it pulled, you'll want to get it cooled down and refrigerated, and then you'll want to use it within 4 days. Also, one more tip, you'll want to take all of your bones after you get them pulled, pop them in a freezer bag. You can also put any onion peels, celery, any carrot scraps, garlic, anything like that. And you can put them, herbs too, also herbs. You put them in a freezer bag like this, pop it in the freezer, and you can pull this out later to make stock. So pre-cooked rotisserie chickens can make your life a lot easier. But remember 3 things. First of all, pull them while they're hot. Secondly, pay attention to the time of preparation, okay, for safety reasons. And third, be conservative. Save your bones and make stock with them.